Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometric. It is the 7th lecture of the trigonometric. In last class we discussed the standard some formulae and some problems. Okay, now to refresh our mind, let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now today we are going to discuss some basic concepts like AM, GM, okay, logarithmic concepts, then how it is applied in the questions. Okay, let's see. Now, what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean, its short form is AM. Okay, AM between two numbers. Arithmetic mean between xn, x1 and x2 is equal to what? X1 plus x2 by 2. So number of terms is here what? 2. So sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Similarly AM of x1, x2, x3 dot xn is equal to what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot up to xn divided by number of term here n. This is arithmetic mean. Now geometric mean its short form is what? GM of x1 and x2. Geometric mean GM of x1 into x2 is equal to root over x1 into x2, or we can say x1 into x2 to the power 1 by 2, product of the terms raised to the power 1 by the number of terms. So similarly GM of x1, x2, x3, xn is equal to what? The product of the terms x1 into x2 into x3 dot xn whole to the power 1 by n. And what is the relation between AM and GM? Relation between AM and GM. Relation between A and GM. So AM is greater than equal to GM. The equal to sign likhibo A case 1 AM is equal to GM if terms are equal. AM case 2 AM greater than GM if terms are unequal. That is what? AM greater than GM if terms are unequal. These are the concept of AM and GM. Now let's do some problems regarding AM and GM. Prove that sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta greater than or equal to 2. Okay, this is the AM and GM related question solution. let x1 is equal to sin square theta x2 is equal to what? Cos square theta. We know am is greater than equal to gm. What is am formula? That is for two terms, x1 plus x2 divide by 2 greater than equal to what? x1 into x2 to the power 1 by 2. So x1 is equal to what? Sin square theta plus what? Cos square theta by 2 greater than equal to x1 means what? Sin theta into cosec theta whole to the power 1 by 2. So this is equal to what? Sin square theta plus cosec square theta. Sin square theta plus cosec square theta divided by 2. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. 1 to the power half is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cosec square theta greater than equal to what? 2. This question also can be asked. This question can be also modified as what is the minimum value of? This question is modified question. Modified question. What is modified question? What is modified question of this question? What is the minimum value of? What is the minimum value of sin square theta plus cosec square theta? What is the answer? Same process. That is, proceed as the previous and write minimum value is what? And this is answer. Proceed as previous and minimum value is what? Minimum value is equal to 2. Because sin square theta plus cosec square theta greater than equal to means start from 2 up to infinity. Or this question also modified as what is a range of sin square theta plus cosec square theta. So same process as previous, proceed same as previous proceed same as previous means you do like this, and finally we will reach here sin square theta plus cosec square theta greater than equal to means the value of sin square theta plus cosec square theta starts from 2 and up to infinity. So answer is what? Range is equal to square bracket 2 comma infinity. Okay, equal to sign present. Now what is logarithm concept? Now exponent form and logarithm form. Exponent form and logarithmic form. Simple example, we have what? 2q is equal to what? 8. This is exponent form. What? This is exponent form or index form. Okay, index form. So in logarithm form, in log form, what happens here? Log 8, here base is what? This is power or index and this is base. Base is 2, so log 8 base 2 is equal to what? 3. This can be read as log 8 to the base 3, base 2. Okay, this is what? Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. This is the concept of logarithm. Suppose that is in general a to the power x is equal to y. This is what? Exponent form, and what is this? This is equal to log y to the base what? A is equal to x. This is logarithm form. Now some properties of logarithm, some properties of log. Properties of log. Suppose log m base a plus log n base a is equal to what? Log m into n, or vice versa, or we can say log m n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a log n to the base, same thing. Okay, number 1 property. Number 2 property, log m minus log n is equal to what? Log to the base a here, to the base a here, to the base a greater than 1. Okay, a not equal to 0, a greater than 1. So log m by n to the base a, or what can reverse can be also written as, if this is log m by n to the base a, then you can write log m base a log n base a. This is property number 2. Okay, now property number 3 is what? Property number 3, log m to the power n base a is equal to n into log m base a. Property 4, log a to the base a is equal to 1. Okay, property 5, what is natural log? This is log x base e. If base is e, then it is called natural log, and denoted by what? ln. 6 e to the power log a base e is equal to what? 6 is log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. 7 a to the power log m to the base a is equal to m. These are the properties, and we have to remember this. Then you have to remember this. So again what? Log 1 is equal to 0, right? E to the power log m base e is equal to what? M. This is property number 8. Okay, log 0 is equal to minus infinity. Log 0 is equal to minus infinity. These are the logarithm concept, and let's do some now question. One question related to this. What is the value of log of base any? Log of 10 1 degree plus log of 10 2 degree plus dot up to what? Log of 10 89 degree. This is question. So solution is what? Solution is log of 10 1 degree plus log of 10 2 degree plus log of 10 3 degree plus dot up to log of 10 89 degree. जदि logarithm plus होइछि into हेजो property कोन अछि? Property, this property is what? Log x1 plus log x2 plus log xn, suppose. So log of what? x1 into x2 dot xn. Similarly, using this property we get here log of what? 10 1 degree into 10 2 degree into 10 3 degree. What? This is up to 10 89 degree. We already discussed this value is what? 1. Log of what? This is value is 1. We discussed in previous class. So log 1 value is equal to 0. This is the problem based on what? Logarithmic concept. Now some other questions. So that the equation sin theta is equal to x plus 1 by x is impossible if x not equal to 0 for any real x. Solution is given sin theta is equal to x plus 1 by x. We know what formula? A minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to what? A minus b whole square plus 4ab. So we can write what? We can write x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to what? X minus 1 by whole square, x whole square plus 4 into x into 1 by x. That implies what? X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? Sin theta. So sin square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4. Okay. So this is always positive number. This is positive or 0 greater than 0. So this is greater than 0. So obviously since sin square theta is sum of this term, both are positive. So obviously sin square theta greater than what? 4. Here clearly sin square theta greater than equal to 4. कौन पाई? देखो दीटा ऐड कले sin square theta होची. तेणु जो दीटा कंपोनेंट ऐड कले sin square theta होची तो sin square गोटे एग्जांपल दोची. सपोज 10 is equal to 2 plus 8. तो 10 डा 2 to greater, 10 डा 8 to greater. ओके से कांसेप्ट रे बुझो. तो sin square theta equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4. तो sin square theta greater than this amount and sin square theta greater than 4. But here clearly sin theta greater than 4. This is impossible. Why? But we know the maximum value of sin square theta is what? 1. So sin square theta is greater than 4 is impossible. So the solution is impossible. Okay. Now another question. Prove that sin square theta is equal to x plus y whole square divided by 4xy is possible for real values of x and y only when x is equal to y. Okay. So solution given suppose sin square theta is equal to x plus y whole square by 4xy. Clear? This is the question. Now we know sin square theta lies between what? We know sin square theta even power present, so 0 to 1. So sin square theta means what? That is equal to what here? That is equal to what? X plus y whole square divided by what? 4xy less than equal to what? 1. So taking this now, take x plus y whole square divided by 4xy less than equal to 1. That implies what? X plus y whole square less than equal to 4xy. That implies what? That implies that implies x plus y whole square minus 4xy what, minus 4xy less than equal to 0. This is equal to what? This is x minus y whole square less than equal to 0. Any number square cannot be negative. It is possible that x minus y whole square may be 0 equal to 0 but not less than. जेकोसी नंबर स्क्वायर ना लेस देन 0 होनी, 0 ही पारे, 0 स्क्वायर 0 आ बाकी नेगेटिव स्क्वायर हेल्ले पॉजिटिव ही होछ, तो 0 ही गोटे केस अछि. दैट इंप्लाइज व्हाट? दैट इज x इज इक्वल टू y. दिस इज द प्रूफ. ओके, नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन. This is another question that sx square theta is equal to 4xy divided by x plus y whole square is possible if x is equal to y, x comma y not equal to 0. Same process solution. What? Sec square theta is equal to 4xy divided by x plus y whole square, that is cos square theta. This is one, so reverse कर लेते हैं. Cos square theta is equal to x plus y whole square divided by what? 4xy. We know what? Cos square theta 0 less than equal to cos square theta less than equal to 1. So put the value of cos square theta here, x plus y whole square by what? 4xy. This is what? 0. This is what? 1. Take this side, x plus y whole square by what? 4xy less than equal to 1. Okay, so again what? That implies x plus y whole square less than equal to what? Less than equal to 4xy, and that is x plus y whole square minus 4xy less than 0. So this is x minus y whole square less than 0. That implies what? It is possible that x minus y whole square is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? X is equal to y. This is the proof. Okay, now some other concept. Note, sin suppose theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3. What is the possible values of sin theta 1, sin theta 2, sin theta 3? In this case, sin here sin theta 1 is equal to 1, sin theta 2 is equal to 1, sin theta 3 is equal to 1. So in general also, that similarly this is for sin and this is for cos also. And this is for cos also. What? Cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 is equal to 3. That implies cos theta 1 is equal to 1, cos theta 2 is equal to 1, cos theta 3 is equal to 1. Okay, कौन पे होची? Now maximum values of sin theta is 1, so this is 1 plus 1 is 3. And in general, if sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus dot sin theta n is equal to n, that implies sin theta 1 is equal to sin theta 2 is equal to sin theta 3 dot up to equal to sin theta n, each are 1. Okay, similarly for cos, if this is another note, if cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus dot up cos theta n is equal to n, this is not 1, this is n. Okay, so cos theta 1 is equal to cos theta 2 dot equal to cos theta n, each value 1. It is impossible, may or may not. One question here, x1 plus x2 x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 इज इक्वल टू 3 देले तमे x1 x2 वैल्यू जहाँ भी हो पारे इनफाइनाइट पॉसिबल केसेस अच्छे बट साइन के कॉस केस रे सिंगल पॉसिबल केस अच्छे तुम कह x1 जगह कौन हो पार 0 नहीं पार 81 नब 82 नब हम ना नहीं 3 हो बट साइन केस रे साइन रो केस 1 रो वैल्यू अधिक नहीं मैक्सिमम वैल्यू साइन रो 1 हो तो 1 रू अधिक नहीं पार 1 जो कम गला 3 होगा चांस नहीं so each term is equal to in case of sin and cos each term is what 1 but for x1 plus x2 plus x3 it may be several cases or many cases एक केस से बहुत केस आसो बट साइन और कॉस केस रे सब जाक each term value 1 हम ये one question regarding this one question if sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 3 then cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to dash okay so solution is what sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 3 so cos sin alpha equal to what sin alpha equal to 1 sin beta is equal to 1 sin gamma equal to 1 this is valid for only sin and cos each term is 1 for other equation suppose x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3 it has so many solutions number of solutions may be many but in case of only one solution is having value 1 so if cos alpha equal to 1 what is the value of alpha here alpha is equal to what alpha is equal to 90 degree beta is equal to 90 degree and gamma is equal to what 90 degree sin alpha equal to 1 co-angle रे 1 हो 90 रे okay so cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to what तो cos 90 0 plus 0 plus 0 so this is equal to 0 okay now another question another concept sin theta plus sin pi minus theta is equal to dash 0 pi this is sin theta and this is minus sin theta 0 again sin theta plus sin pi minus theta plus sorry this question may be what sin theta plus here okay not minus sin pi plus theta minus sin theta so plus sin theta minus sin theta 0 sin theta plus sin pi plus theta plus sin 2 pi plus theta is equal to what this is goes cancel and this is sin 2 pi minus theta 2 pi plus theta means first quadrant sin theta okay and sin theta plus sin pi plus theta plus sin 2 pi plus theta plus sin 3 pi plus theta is equal to dash this is this up to this sin theta and this is sin 3 pi plus theta minus sin theta this is equal to 0 what is conclusion here that is sin theta plus pi plus theta is equal to 0 if odd multiple of pi is then this is 0 then and even multiple of pi then it is sin theta so note sin theta plus sin what sin pi plus theta plus sin pi 2 pi plus theta plus dot dot up to sin n pi plus theta which is equal to what this is equal to 0 if n is what n is odd natural number. Odd means what? Those numbers are not equal to natural numbers. Odd natural number. This is equal to sin theta if n is even natural number. Case 2. This is case 2 and this is case 1. Even natural number. Okay. Another concept you read at class 10th. What is sin 2 theta? From you know from class 10th what is sin 2 theta. This is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is some concept. What is sin 2 theta? Means what? 2 sin theta into cos theta. Suppose you are given sin theta into cos theta, and the question is how it is in the form, how can it be converted into sin 2 theta. So this can be what? That is 1 by 2. For the formula 2 is required. So into 2 by 2. 2 sin theta into cos theta. So what is here? 1 by 2 sin 2 theta. Okay. Suppose in the form of square form given. Suppose given sin square theta into cos square theta. But here you have to write in the form of sin 2 theta. What is required here? So you required here 2, that is what? Into 1 by 4 into 4 by 4 sin square theta into cos square theta. So this is equal to 1 by 4 and this is 2 sin theta into cos theta whole square. So this is equal to 1 by 4 what? Sin 2 theta whole square. So this is 1 by 4 into sin square 2 theta. यदि पावर 1 अच्छी तो 1 by 2 into by 2. यदि पावर 2 अच्छी 2 power 2 that is 4 into 4 by 4. यदि पावर 3 अच्छी into 8 by 8. Now let's discuss a problem related to this. Let's see a problem related to this. If question is, if a is equal to sin square theta plus cos 4 theta, then prove that 3 by 4 less than equal to 3a less than equal to what? 1 for all theta belongs to R. Okay, this is the question. So proof is what? Proof is what? Given sin square theta plus cos 4 theta is equal to what? Given a is equal to this. So this is equal to a is equal to what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta into what? Cos square theta. So a is equal to what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta into 1 minus sin square theta. So a is equal to what? Sin square theta, multiply this, cos square theta into 1, cos square theta minus cos square theta into sin square theta, or sin square theta into cos square theta. Apply the previous concept. Here sin square theta and cos square theta present, so into 4 by 4, and this is what? 1. So a is equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Now a is equal to 1, so into 4 by 4, 4 into what? Sin square theta into cos square theta into 1 by 4 here. Okay, so a is equal to what? 1 minus 1 by 4, this is what, 2 sin theta into cos theta whole square. This is sin 2 theta. So A is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 sin 2 theta whole square, that is sin square 2 theta, that is sin square 2 theta. This is make a box which we know even power of sin is always lies between 0 to 1. So we can write here, we have 0 less than equal to sin square theta, 2 theta, 5 theta, 100 theta, same meaning, lies between what, 0 to 1. If so, multiplied by minus 1 by 4. जदि गोटे एग्जांपल दो, देखो गोटे एग्जांपल दो एपटे, अच्छा 2 लेस देन कौन अच्छे, 2 लेस देन 4 अच्छे ना, 2 लेस देन 8, देखो देखा सपोज एग्जांपल 1 एग्जांपल 2 लेस देन 4, जदि माइनस नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करी, सपोज -3 मल्टीप्लाई करी, बोथ साइड -3 मल्टीप्लाई करी, ये 4 इंटू -3 मल्टीप्लाई कली, तो ये के -6 हो, ये के -12 हम, तो ये 2 लेस देन कौन थिला, 2 लेस देन 4 थिला, एबे -6 ग्रेटर देन -12. Important, this is very important. If the inequality is multiplied by a negative number, then the symbol changes, less than symbol changes to greater than, and greater than symbol changes to less than. This is very important. So multiplied by minus 1 by 4, 0 into any number what, 0 greater than equal to -1 by 4 sin square 2 theta, 1 into -4, 1 into -1 by 4, that is greater than equal to what, -1 by 4. ए बॉक्स देखो, बॉक्स रे 1 अच्छी ना नहीं, 1 -1 by 4 अच्छी, सो एड 1, यही फॉर्म आनिबा पाई एड करो 1, add 1 to each term. So what is here, that is 0 plus 1 greater than equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, what, sin square 2 theta greater than equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to what, 1 greater than equal to this box, look the box, this is equal to what, this is A, and this is equal to what, 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 4. Okay, so write the reverse, 3 by 4 ulta likh di, less than equal to A, less than equal to 1. This is the required proof. Okay, now another question. Now if sin square x plus sin x plus sin square x equal to 1, then what is the value of cos square x plus cos square 4? Solution, sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1, that implies sin x is equal to what, 1 minus sin square x. So sin x is equal to what, cos square x. Now what is here, the cos square x plus what, cos 4th x. This can be written as cos square x plus what, cos square x whole square. So this is equal to what, cos square x, and its value is what, cos square x means what, sin x. So sin square x, sin x whole square means sin square x. So cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. This is value is 1. Okay, now another question. Find the value of cos square 10 plus cos square 20 plus cos square 30 up to cos square 80. So solution is what, this is cos square 10 degree plus cos square 20 degree plus cos square what, 30 degree plus dot up to cos square 7 degree plus cos square what, 80 degree. So this is what, cos square 10, this will be what, sin square 20, this is what, sin square, see this is sin square 10, this is sin square 20 degree. Like this This is equal to what? This is here cos square what? Cos square is 60 here. So this is equal to what? Sin square 30. And this is equal to cos square 10 degree plus cos square 20 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus dot dot. So cos square 10 plus sin square 10. This is equal to what? Cos square 10 degree plus sin square 10 degree. So this is what? Cos square 20 degree plus sin square 20 degree. Cos square 30 degree plus sin square 30 degree. The last term is what? The last is up to cos square what? 40 plus cos square 50, that is cos square 40 plus sin square what? 40. So number of term is what? There are number of, that is 10, 20, 30. This is what? 30, 40. So number of term is 8, and combined, that is 1 plus dot dot up to what? Up to 10. देखो 10 सहित केते होची ना 10 सहित 80 ही गला, तबरे 20 सहित व्हाट 70 ही गला, 30 सहित 60 ही गला, एंड 40 सहित केते 40 सहित 50 ही गला. तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म केते आसिला? नंबर ऑफ टर्म 1 2. नंबर ऑफ टर्म इज व्हाट? 10 20 30. नंबर ऑफ टर्म इज 8 terms, and they combined 2 combine. So number of terms here ke what? 1 plus what? 1 plus this is what? Right here a term here, that is what? Cos square up to 40. This is 1 plus what? 4 ones is equal to 4. कौन भाई? 1 10 सहित ना 10 सहित 80, 20 सहित 70, 30 सहित 60, and 40 सहित what? 50. So 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80. Correct? So combine 2 to combine make 4 terms, and this is 4 answer. This is entrance type question, Shelley question, and what is entrance type question? So what is minimum value of 3 sin theta plus cosec q theta? This is application of AM and GM solution. There are 3 sin theta. So sin theta what? 3 times. So let x1 is equal to sin theta, x2 is equal to sin theta, x3 is equal to what? Sin theta, and x4 is equal to cosec q theta. Cosec q theta. So we know AM greater than or equal to GM. Okay. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 divided by 4 greater than or equal to what? x1 into x2 into x3 into x4 divided by what? Divide by to the power 1 by 4. So this is equal to what? Sin theta plus sin theta plus sin theta plus cosec q theta by 4 greater than or equal to what? Sin theta into sin theta into what? Cosec, this is what? Cosec q theta to the power what? 1 by 4. So this is equal to what? 3 sin theta plus what? Cosec q theta divided by 4 greater than or equal to sin q theta into cosec q theta whole to the power 1 by 4. So this is 1. So 3 sin theta So what is here? That implies that is what? 3 sin theta plus what? This is 4 divided by 4 here, plus cosec cosec q theta by 4 greater than equal to 1. Okay, so this implies sin theta 3 sin theta plus cosec q theta divided by this is equal to what? Greater than equal to 4. So minimum value is what? So minimum value is therefore minimum value of 3 sin theta plus what? Cosec q theta is 4. 4 is the minimum value of 3 sin theta and cosec theta. Clear? Now graph of y is equal to sin x. Graph of y is equal to sin x. Y is equal to sin x graph. This is x and this is y is equal to what? Sin x. Sin 0 0, sin 30, that is what? Sin 90 what? Pi by 2 is equal to 1, and sin minus pi by 2, and sin pi 0, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sin 2 pi 0. Okay, similarly sin minus pi by 2 minus 1, sin minus pi 0, sin minus 3 pi by 2, that is 1. Okay, that is 1, and sin 2 minus 2 pi that is 0. Now the graph is what? The graph will be sin 0, x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, sin pi by 2 1, sin pi 0. So the graph is like this. And what is sin 3 pi by 2? Here 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2 what? Minus 1. This is suppose minus 1. So the graph is like this. Again sin 2 pi 0. Okay, এটা যেମିତି ହେଲା वेब टाइप ए साइड मत सेम वेब टाइप हम तो साइन रो वैल्यू एटा हला केते एटा 1 हला एटा केते होछ -1 हला तो y इक्वल टू -1 एटा y इक्वल टू 1 तो व्हाट इज रेंज ऑफ sin x we discuss what is the range of sin x that is -1 to +1 तो ग्राफ भीतर देखलो ना sin x रो ग्राफ टा कोन होछ -1 to +1 भीतर होती तो sin रो रेंज होची -1 to sin x ग्राफ ऑफ द sin x passing through origin okay graph of the sin x passing through origin note graph of the sin x passing through origin okay now note graph of sin x passing through origin from figure graph of sin x passing through origin ओके आउ कौन ऑब्जर्व हो देख ये 0 to 90 भितर साइन रो ग्राफटा इनक्रीज होना 0 to 90 भितर दैट इज एमती करदेवी 0 to 90 पाई by 2 देन व्हाट पाई देन 3 पाई by 2 देन 2 पाई तो ऑब्जर्व करो 0 to पाई by 2 भितर ग्राफटा राइज हो तो 0 to पाई by 2 sin x increases okay then down तलको आसी पाई by 2 to पाई sin x decreases कमुच then 3 pi by 2 आउ टे कमुची 3 pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 sin x decreases and again ये जो 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi गला आउ थे ऊपर को जाऊँ ग्राफटा ऊपर को गला ऊपर को राइज जाऊँ माने इनक्रीज हो ये sin x increases sin x increases okay now graph of cos x graph of cos x graph of cos x direct you can draw graph of the cos x sin x you can draw directly. So what is here, this is the x axis, this is y axis, this is x axis and this is y axis, this is origin. What is cos 0 1 ठोला cos pi by 2 कते 0 तो 1 to 0 को आसला ओके देन cos pi केते cos pi माने 180 -1 this is -1 and cos 3 pi by 2 केते 0 3 pi by 2 0 and what is cos 2 pi what again 1 cos 2 pi 1 cos 5 pi by 2 केते pi by 2 3 pi by 2 cos 5 pi by 2 this is 1 cos 5 pi by 2 is cos 5 pi by 2 is 0 so this is what 2 pi. Similarly this come this and again this what is here, this is value, this is y is equal to 1 and this is what y is equal to -1. So range of the cos x is equal to -1 to 1. So range is equal to -1 to 1 okay and 0 to pi by 2 भितर ग्राफटा कौन हो 0 to pi डाउन आसी so 0 to pi by 2 भितर cos x decreases and again decreases 0 to pi by 2 भितर pi by 2 to pi भितर again cos x decreases again pi to 3 pi by 2 pi to 3 pi by 2 ग्राफ ऊपर को गला so increases cos x increases again what 80 rise hala this is fourth quadrant cos x is also increases that is in third quadrant and fourth quadrant cos x is increases okay these are the basic graph of the sin x and cos x. So dear students try to draw the graph of tan x cot x sec x which are given in the material. So look the graph of the tan x cot x and cosec x sec x cos x from the material. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. These are the concept. Okay, then thank you, have a nice day.